Hi guys! I'm really sorry it's been like 2 weeks since I've made my last video. I've been really busy with schoolwork and school finals, writing out papers and stuff that I've been too busy to make another video, so I'm really sorry about that. I guess I'd have to say I'm also procrastinating to make a video because I ran out of ideas on what to do because I'm not really good with makeup or hair. Hopefully it's not that obvious. I ran out of ideas and I just didn't know what else to do. But then it hit me, I thought, hey, maybe I'll just do a talking video because you guys love hearing me talk, right? So I went on a Yahoo search and I searched topic ideas for journaling, and I picked out 2 of them and I thought I'd just share them with you for the fun of it. So here's the 2 I picked, games I like to play. First one is Mario Bros. Super Mario Bros. For the Wii. It's a great game, it's so much fun to play. I don't know if I'm the best at it, but it's really fun to play, I like it a lot. Secondly, Final Fantasy. I love this game. I am so addicted to it and I have been since, I don't know, 5 months now. I haven't been playing it as long as some of you guys out there. The Final Fantasy games. I played 10, 10-1, 10-1, and now this one. I'd have to say, story-wise, this one and 10 is probably the best ones. Because they're kind of head and head. I love them. They're amazing. Okay, and 3, Animal Crossing. I love Animal Crossing. It's just so happy and fun. It's just so nice. I love having fun, happy games that is not all about evil and anger and killing and violence. I'm not a violent person. But of course, now that I say I'm not a violent person, my next game that I would mention is Warcraft. I love Warcraft. It's so much fun. I would love to play World of Warcraft if I could, but it costs so stinking much. It's like, what, $50 to buy the game and then like 15 or so more every single month to play it online. It's like, I'm sorry, I don't have that kind of money. So, yeah, that's my first journaling idea that I wanted to do. My second one, what am I afraid of? Okay, I would have to say there's probably 3 general things that I'm afraid of. One would be spiders. And I think many of you guys out there can sympathize with me. Spiders are evil. I hate spiders. They're horrible creatures. I think we should kill all the spiders in the world and the world would just be so much better. I mean, we don't need spiders no more. We have bug spray. We don't need them to go around eating all the bugs. We can just kill them all, okay? We don't need spiders. So, yeah. Okay. So one is spiders. I'm terrified of spiders. I can't even do the whole thing, you know, with the napkin. No. Oh, spiders are horrible. 2, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but that's okay. I'm afraid of sudden loud noises. I've heard there's a phobia called something like that, but I couldn't pronounce it, so I forgot what it was. But there's a phobia that is, I think I have. It's pretty much you're just afraid of any sudden noises, like firecrackers, balloons popping. I don't like balloons, especially when little kids are playing with them, because you get that sound, and then it's like, oh, it's gonna pop, it's gonna pop, it's gonna hurt my ears. And it's terrible. And 3, singing in public, or singing in front of anybody. I don't know maybe somebody traumatized me when I was little. Like, when I was singing, somebody said, hey, shut up, stop singing, and then it like broke my heart. And now I can't sing in front of anybody. I can't sing in front of people. I can't sing in front of my best friends. I don't know. So, there's my 3 things that I'm afraid of. Spiders, singing in front of anybody, and sudden noises. So now that you guys know me a little bit better, down on the comments below, please let me know what you think I should do for my next video. Give me some ideas because I'm kind of running out. If you don't give me any ideas, I'll just do another video like this and I'll go on a list and just pick a couple random things and tell you. But if you think that would be too boring, just let me know. Let me know what I should do. So anyways, that was my first video just talking. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, subscribe if you like. I would love it to have some more subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.